Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a spring eye look. I really wanted to do something with some purple colors, thinking like a light purple eyeshadow look, so let's get started. So before I start, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I upload every week, so there's plenty of videos for you to go check out. To start out by priming my lids using a NYX Full Coverage Concealer and a concealer brush. I'm going to start out by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette in the shade Base, and I'm going to apply that right into my crease. Light purple is perfect for spring, so that's really why I wanted to do this eye look. So next I'm going to go into this like light brownish shade, and I'm just applying this right into my crease because I want to add a little bit more dimension to the eye before I apply the purple eyeshadow. Now I'm going to mix the shade Love and Soul, which is a pink and blue, and I'm tapping off the excess. And I'm just going to lightly add this into my crease. Comes up as a little bit more of a pink shade, but that's okay because it'll help us to blend in the purple later on. I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette. It's always so big, never even know how to hold it. I'm going to go into the shade Single, which is a light matte purple. I'm using a blending brush, and I'm just adding this right into my crease. Blend it out, kind of drag it out a little bit. I think I might want to do a cut crease, so dragging out is super important. James Charles eyeshadows are just so pigmented that they're almost like a must for any colored eyeshadow look. That's why I use them pretty much every time that I do anything with bright colors. Now I'm going into the shade Acapella, which is a little bit of a deeper purple, and I'm adding this over top, especially towards the outer half of my crease. So now I'm going in with a Morphe blending brush and just blending this crease really to make it look super blended. Now I'm taking a break from eyeshadow and going back in with my concealer and a concealer brush again. And I'm just going to cut my crease. So basically I'm not going to just cut it like halfway, I'm going to go cut it all the way across today. I'm going to go back into the shade Single. I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, just apply this to the center of my lids. I'm adding a little bit of the darker purple outer end of on the outer end of my lids, bringing it out. And as you can see, I'm leaving a little bit of that concealer, and then I'm going back in with my blending brush and blending that edge, blending out this inner corner as well. I don't want to add much more eyeshadow. Now I'm going into both of these purple colors, and I'm just adding this to my lower lash line. Let's go back in with my concealer, just lightly clean up this edge to make it a little bit sharper. Tapping the concealer usually works better, I think, than like dragging it, because if there's eyeshadow there, you're just going to drag the eyeshadow and it's going to just smear on your face and it won't look as good. So I like to tap it. I use that concealer line as kind of an outline for some glitter. So I'm using the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I'm going to just start here. I'm going to use another flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Artistry from the James Charles palette and apply that to the center of my lids for a little bit extra shimmer. Anastasia palette again, using the shade Celestial, which is a shimmery purple, and adding that right over top. Back in with my glitter. Just touching it up a little bit, kind of bringing it a little bit further to like give it a nice gradient so that it sort of fades out. Then I'm just reapplying some more purple to my lower lash line. Using the Norvina palette, I'm going into the shade Dreamer. I'm just adding this to my brow bone and also to my inner corners. I'm using the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to add my winged liner. Now that my wings are done, I'm going to add some lashes from Ardell. Now for my highlighter, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics pressed highlighter in the shade Queen Drip, and I love this one so much. Why this? For lips, I'm just going to start out by applying this Morphe lip liner in the shade Crush. And I'm just going to line my lips. And over top, I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Bear With Me. It's just a really nice light pinky color. I wanted to go with something that's not going to overpower the eye look. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. And stay tuned for more spring eye looks and makeup looks in general, I guess. And if you have any requests, make sure you leave them down below in the comments for me, and I will try my best to do those looks for you guys. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!